Hi friends, let me show you this new electronic muscle stimulator or EMS that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me show it to you and use it so you can see how easy it is. It's a really nice equipment. It can help you to feel more comfortable, and it has this main unit. It has a remote that fits here, like part of the unit, and you can take out, okay? You can even put this part out and have it more conveniently located. Also, you get a user manual and some patches that you can use in different parts of your body, okay, to help you feel this comfortable feeling of electric stimulating your muscles, okay? You also get a USB-A to USB-C cable, so you are able to charge your unit, okay? It charges with a standard USB-C port, okay? We are going to use the patches. We are going to use the remote so you can see exactly what happens. We are going to turn on the unit. You see, it starts with a preset of 30 minutes and it's waiting for you to set the mode. We are going to put mode 1 and then you can change the level. We're going to go to level 10. You have 20 intensity levels, so you can change the mode and the level. Let me tell you, the different modes refer to different kind of stimulation. Mode 1 is an acupuncture pushing. Mode 2, it's just acupuncture. Mode 3, it's acupuncture kneading. Mode 4, acupuncture tapping. Mode 5, scraping. Mode 6, squeezing. Mode 7, massage. I like that one, let's try it. That's it. Mode 8, pushing massage. Mode 9, pushing squeezing. And mode 10, acupuncture squeezing. So different modes, and you will feel them and decide what mode and level better suits your comfort level, okay? And patches, you can install them wherever you feel to need them in your body, okay? So patches can be change place to use them where you feel you need the stimulation, okay? So you can be in your home comfortably looking at your TV, seeing TV, or just resting, reading a book, looking at your social media, and be receiving this kind of electric stimulation. If for any reason you like or need to use this kind of electric muscle stimulation, this unit is a great option for you. Thank you.